Alright guys, so this is a Honda Rancher ES. So the ES is electric shift. As you could see, we could not get this thing in reverse. Now, one thing, we know that it has a cable. Pretty sure it's this cable right here. So we need to check and see if the cable is still working. And then it's obviously got a little, I think it's called a neutral reverse switch on it. I'm not super familiar with these, but it should be on the back of this four-wheeler down here. And you come up, and right in there you can see the cable, and on the left is the switch. So we're gonna crawl up in here a little bit more and see if we can't see what's going on. All right, so we're underneath here, and this is the cable that I was talking about, and it looks good. It's all connected, but that right there is the switch. As you can see, the wire is not even connected to it, which I guess is extremely common on these. On where they put them and how much we're riding them, stuff will go up in there like a stick or something and pop them off. So my guess is all we're going to do to get this to work again is put that on. But why don't we clean this up first and then plug it in and see what happens. So we cleaned it the best we could with what we had. I have no idea where my brush went, so I had to use a Scotch-Brite. But all we have to do is plug this back in, which is kind of hard to do on camera here without completely blocking it with my fingers. But there we go. She's in there. But she's not in there very well, but we're gonna see if that fixes the problem. So here, get up in there. Yeah. So what we're gonna do now is drop this thing back down and see if it does switch into reverse, and then we can fix this connector. Just tighten it up. It seems like the connector itself on the wiring is loose. So we should be able to tighten it up and make a better connection. Alrighty, back on top. Turn key on. Here's the neutral, it's hard to see. Actually, makes it a little easier. Okay, neutral. Push the button in, pull back, hit the down button, reverse. That's what we're looking for. Well, that had to be the easiest fix that I've done in a long time. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fire back up. We're gonna double check our work. We're in neutral. Hold the brake in. First gear, second gear. That's all good. Hold this down. There's reverse. Oh yeah. Everything's working great. Super easy fix. So guys, just kind of going over overview. This is where it's at. Right there. So all I did was I just took some pliers and tightened that up, and we were good to go. But if you guys lose it out on the trails, come down here and look at that connector first. It seems like that's extremely common. It happens on a lot of these. So if you guys have any questions or comments, don't be afraid to leave them in the comment section below. God bless.